All right, now we're going to go over example 3, which is the real life application, part of chapter 1, section 3, order of operations. So here we go. You buy foam spheres, paint bottles, and wooden rods to construct a model of our solar system. What is your total cost? So we have, here's your items in this column: spheres, paint rods, quantity, how many you're buying, and the cost per item. Okay, and over here on the right, I have our order of operations just so we don't forget. Okay, so let's see. What are we buying? Not biting, buying. Let's write, let's just jot it down with words. Okay, so we want to figure out the cost of, so we're buying spheres. So we're buying 9 spheres. And so plus the cost of how many paint? 6 paint bottles, I'm assuming. Plus, what else are we buying? Cost of 8 rods. Okay, so that's what we're going to figure out. Now let's add some more numbers because we know what the cost of all these items are if we look up in our table. So the cost of 9 spheres, so the quantity is 9 times what's the cost of the spheres? Well, the cost of each item, the cost of each sphere is $2. So it'll be 9 times 2 plus the cost of 6 paint. So the quantity is 6 and the cost of each paint is $3. So it'll be 6 times 3 plus the cost of 8 rods. So 8 times each rod is $1. Okay, so now we have our expression. Now let's look at our order of operations to determine what we need to solve first. So please, no parentheses. Excuse exponents. Nope, no exponents. Multiply or divide. Yes, we have several multiplication problems within this expression. The first one is 9 times 2. If you're not sure, look at your multiplication table. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 6 times 3. If you're not sure, look at your table. 18 plus 8 times 1. Well, anything times 1 is the anything. So in this case, 8. All right. So now we just simply have addition left. Now we're going to, add all 3 of these numbers together. 18 plus 8 is, the total cost is $44. And of course, our dollar symbol goes in front of the number. Okay, there we go. Let's look at another problem down here. It's going to bring down our order of operations so we don't forget. You have 4 $10 bills and 18 $5 bills in your piggy bank. How much money do you have? Okay, so let's write it out in words first. We have 4 $10 bills, and we want to find the total. So we're going to add these together. So we have 4 $10 bills and means addition, and 18 $5 bills. Okay, now let's only use numbers. So we have 4 $10 bills, so 4 times 10 plus 18 times 5. Okay, let's look at our order of operations. Any parentheses in our expression? Nope. Any exponents for excuse? Nope. My dear, do we have multiplication or division? Yes, we do. We have 4 times 10, and we also have 18 times 5. 4 times 10 comes first in our expression, so let's solve that first. 4 times 10 is 40, plus, I would not expect you to know 18 times 5 based off just off the top of your head, and it's not on your multiplication table, so you can use a calculator at this point. 18 times 5 is 90. And now we're just left with addition. 40 plus 90 is 130. All right, good luck with the rest of your assignment. Let me know if you have questions.